guys, welcome to the demo of ImageMaker Pro UV, where we'll be showing you how to create transparent phone cases in bulk. Now, using Photoshop script or any third-party softwares are very limited. The automation is really limited. It tends you to elongate the time, and time is money in this business. In our software, it is very simple to create transparent phone cases or any products related to the UV. For an example, we'll click on the Sync tab and just select whatever phone models we want to work on. We have more than 2000 phone models in the software itself. Let's say I want to work on all the Apple series or maybe something OnePlus. Just for the demo purpose, I will show you Apple iPhone 11, 11 Pro and maybe a running model which is OnePlus 7T. I'll click on Start Sync tab and just click on OK. Once this process is completed, your products will be available in the software. So you don't have to worry about all the phone models which are available in the software. Whenever now you log into your software, all the products will be available under the Products tab. Over here we have Sync 3 phone models. Now friends, the most important thing is to create the SKUs as per your convenience. Let's say I have OnePlus 7T. Now the SKU is basically a stock keeping unit. If we give you the SKU and you cannot change it, it is of no logic because you're going to upload lakhs of SKUs on marketplaces or on your website. Obviously, if you have a software which is capable of doing and creating mockups and providing you business automation at a perfect level, you would love to create more and more SKUs and you love to add more and more designs every day. So, the prefix can be applied from your phone model. Let's say OnePlus 7T, I will rename it as OnePlus 7 and T. Now, this is the prefix of an SKU. So, the SKU is a mixture of phone model and the designs in this particular product. I'll click on Save and it is done. The second part what we have to do is add the designs. In ImageMaker, the best part is that you can add a design according to the category. It is no random product. You are not limited to using the software in any which ways. Let's say for an example, I have a designer name XYZ. Now this XYZ designer particularly creates every day or every month XYZ design, let's say around 1000 designs. So I say XYZ designs. For example, similarly, I can create n number of category. For example, I'll create transparent designs. Okay, this is just an example. So I can add XYZ designs from the desktop. Like I'll add these 10 designs under XYZ and I will add transparent designs under the transparent design. These are the transparent designs. Now friends, after adding these designs, remember we made a prefix for a phone model OnePlus 7T. Now let's make a suffix and complete the SKU. I'll click on Control All. I'll rename this, for example, Artwork 001. So now those designs are renamed as Artwork 001 and so on. You can rename a category according to your convenience and you can rename the other category products according to your convenience. Now the software is really simple. It is not relatively a scripting software. We can just click on Mockup, okay, select the transparent cases, select all the phone models, all the phone brands together, select all the phone models together. I can select both the design categories together and then followed by the designs. So we are creating 60 SKUs, that is 20 designs into 3 particular products. Now I have integrated my server in the software Even you can integrate your own server. We will really help you to purchase a server and integrate the same. Now, this is no random integration. The software uploads all these SKUs on your particular server and check links, all the particular links, whatever it is uploaded, it checks and get it into an Excel. Now those links are authenticated. Why it is authenticated? The software checks whether the links and the files have been uploaded on the server properly and then reflected back in your Excel or CSV sheet. So whenever you create the image, you're rest assured that the software, whatever links have been uploaded, are perfectly working for you. This is really important when you're uploading, let's say 5,000, 10,000 or 15,000 products or anything more than that. If you are into starting this business, eventually you're uploading less designs. But when you upload those particular URLs in marketplaces or your website, they do not tend to take it. The main reason behind this is that particular link is not working. Either it is uploaded or due to any reasons the files have been deleted. So here when you get the Excel, you're rest assured that the links are perfectly working. So during this frame time, all the files have been uploaded and created on the desktop, 60 SKUs. So this was very simple. We'll create on display. We'll go to any phone models like iPhone 11 and you can see the mockup. The mockups work perfectly fine for the marketplaces. These are the transparent designs. I'll purposely show you a design which is of something like a hard design. So now you can understand that you can add a transparent design also and also add a hard design. Similarly, it can be done for all the phone models, whether it's OnePlus 70 or any other phone model. So this was the first part of creating mockups for transparent phone cases. Then it is followed by the Excel sheet. Now the Excel sheet is customizable according to your convenience. As you can see here, I'll just apply a filter data and just select A to Z. All the designs and all the SKUs are systematic now. So we get to see the SKUs which were generated according to our convenience, the design category which we generated to our convenience, design names, product type, everything is there in the software, model number, colors, multicolor. You can also type down your materials, you can type down your devices. This is the link basically which has been generated right now. This is the link which has been authenticated and been generated in the Excel sheet. So we'll try and open one link and it is working perfectly for us. Now I'll show you the title. Basically friends, this is a title which is generated for the marketplaces or for your website. Let's say XYZ back cover for OnePlus 70 followed by the design name. Now this is really important. The title acts as an SEO for the marketplaces. Suppose I am putting in a design like something which is unique. Let's say an Iron Man. Okay. So customers who have licensed product, they use licensed designs, and let's say a customer of ours wants a buyer to search something OnePlus 70 Iron Man design. So this takes them to the Amazon or marketplaces like Flipkart or any other marketplaces, and you can then he can see your product and purchase it. There's another column for brands and others, which you can also generate whatever you wish to according to your convenience. So this was about creating mockups in the transparent phone cases, and it is really super easy. The best part about a product is you can select n number of phone models, n number of designs all together. So we have one more thing which we'd like to showcase you as a mockup isometric for canvases. We can select same phone models, we don't have to do anything. Okay, let's say I'll select a phone model only. We can select 11 and all the designs together. I can select multiple phone models also, just to cut short the demo because I'm not editing the demo for you to understand. So now what we'll have is 4 canvas views each for all the designs. Now how does this help? Suppose you're selling on Amazon and every customer has a single image. They tend to upload 3-4 images, but that does not have the designs on the second, third or fourth image. Whenever Amazon or Flipkart processes your designs, whatever the links you are uploading on their CSV, this helps you as an SEO. They tend to image process the first image. That is why they want them to be on the white background. Then they get the second, third and fourth. Now this helps them, the algorithm helps them to understand that you're showcasing the product rightfully to the customer and the customer can easily understand your product. So obviously if you put in proper details, proper listing, you update the listing perfectly well, you play along with the designs perfectly well, and also with the mockups, this will help you in the long run of the visibility of your particular brand name. So let's say for example, I am generating a back view. Simultaneously, I can generate it on a canvas and I can describe the products. Let's say this product is a transparent material. It is anti-scratch, anti-finger. It perfectly fits my mobile and it's only back printed. So now when a customer purchases this online on Amazon or Flipkart or your website, he or she can understand, okay, this is purely a transparent material because the description is perfectly written. 90% of people tend to see the image and understand the product. And that is where the software is really helpful. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any queries, just write down to us on the given below email address, or you can always call us back in case if you have any queries. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care.